Welcome to today's RAM Showdown. Single channel versus dual channel. Two setups, one big question. Will increasing your memory bandwidth genuinely boost your gaming, content creation, or multitasking performance? Or is it all just marketing hype? Strap in as our Pixel-style PC builder breaks it down with side-by-side benchmarks and fast-paced tech overlays. First, let's see what single-channel RAM offers in a modern gaming rig. Our builder installs one memory stick, booting up benchmark tests that display smooth FPS counters, game load times, and resource utilization in real-time overlays. These metrics give us the baseline for performance and highlight exactly where single-channel might bottleneck your experience. With our baseline set, we dive into the heart of the matter, dual-channel RAM. Doubling up on memory sticks, the builder slots in the second module, triggering a cascade of digital effects as bandwidth ramps up. Benchmark overlays immediately reveal changes across frame rates, latency, and response in a visually quantifiable upgrade. Now let's break down the real impact. In popular games, does dual-channel RAM make a tangible difference? Overlaid FPS charts and 1% low graphs appear instantly as we run simultaneous gaming sessions side by side. The Pixel Builder analyzes input lag, scene loads, and stutter, offering rapid insight into each configuration's true gaming prowess. But RAM isn't just for gamers. Creative professionals need seamless workflow too. With dual channel engaged, our PC Builder launches a video editing suite and loads massive files, monitoring export times and buffer rates on digital dashboards. Animated overlays compare edit responsiveness and multitasking headroom, letting us see what creators can expect from upgrading. Next up, it's the multitasking marathon. Our Pixel PC Builder orchestrates stacks of browser tabs, productivity apps, and streaming windows to challenge both memory setups. On screen, dynamic charts track real-time swap file use and system responsiveness. Watch as digital side-by-side overlays reveal where single channel begins to sweat as the multitasking testing complete. It's time to analyze the facts. Dual channel consistently outperforms single channel for bandwidth-heavy tasks, making an obvious impact for both gamers and creators. Rapid-fire graphics recap our benchmarking results, emphasizing performance deltas in real time. The builder steps back to evaluate the final data, distilling myth from measurable Still, it's not just numbers, budget and future-proofing both matter. The builder weighs upgrade costs, possible expansion choices, and compatibility, all shown in animated info blocks flashing across the screen. This fast-paced analysis helps you decide if dual channel is the smart move for your specific tech needs, now and tomorrow. Every build is unique, and your RAM configuration should match your real-world workload. The builder demonstrates swapping modules with swift practice moves, showing how easy it is to tweak your setup. Digital overlays summarize key takeaways, helping viewers translate benchmarks into practical upgrade decisions that fit their budget and ambitions. Thanks for joining this RAM battle. Every frame, number, and module tested for your benefit. Whether you're building your first PC or looking to squeeze out that extra performance edge, these findings empower your next steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more build guides, digital benchmarks, and rapid-fire upgrade tips straight from our Pixel Style Tech channel.